Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you like this way of shooting videos with phone on dash cam. Welcome to channel Chetan Apte's Vlogs. I'm going to install a dashboard camera on my car. What is a dashboard camera? It fits near the rear view mirror, the internal rear view mirror of your car, and keeps on recording whatever is going on in front of the car. It works like a CCTV camera, and it has a storage in form of SD card capacities or choice. So my intention to use this camera, to install this camera, is one, of course, safety, and of course to create some beautiful videos if and when I will be traveling in my car. So here is this Pioneer dashboard camera. We are opening the box. This is the camera, very tiny camera that fits behind the mirror, and this is a small screen of that. That is the windshield mount, the suction cup on which it is fitted. So it is, the suction cup mount is being screwed to the camera, like we screw the tripod to our SLR, and here it is ready to go. All we need to do is the wiring, hardwire it to car's power supply. So here is the camera getting mounted on the car. That's the camera. That is the wire, power supply wire that is going in there. It will be kind of hardwired into the car so that the car charger port will remain free. Pulled the wire from there, and it will now go to the camera. So this panel that was removed is now being fixed. The charger plug is now disassembled, and the wire will be cut so that it can be fixed to the car's main power supply. Those are the AC vents. Have you ever seen those like that? And the music system has gone. So that black thick wire is car's main power supply that comes to music system, and the camera power wire will be fixed to that. those LED lights are test that we are receiving power supply as required. That card that we saw has been installed. Now the camera will be mounted back onto the windshield holder. There it goes. And the power cable. It has turned on, and right now it is started recording.
A few moments later.
So the camera is installed. The owner of shop Motorland, Mr. Chetan Thakkar, is a very knowledgeable person. He has a lot of experience in this field of car accessories. It gave me quite a few good pieces of information about dash cam and their usage. Part of it I already knew. And now as I am talking to you again with my phone on dashboard, and the dash cam is recording. So far so good. Now driving back home. It was nice experience shooting this installation of the dashboard camera. Hope you like that. And like I always say, keep spreading happiness. Bye bye. Did you like that video? If you have liked this video, press that red subscribe button and ring the bell so that you will never miss any upcoming videos. It's easy, it's free. Stay subscribed, stay happy.